video would be about questions, because questions have an incredible power. And I am new to this, so I want to practice this a little bit more. But one thing that I have noticed is that when we pose the right question, our brain automatically, this is also a scientific fact, because the brain is a problem solving machine at first and foremost. So when you pose a question, immediately by instinct starts to try to get some answers. Okay, so you can always check in with your emotions and with your state of being by asking, who am I being right now? What am I feeling right now? What am I wanting to feel right now instead? So, especially when we are in a kind of low mood, which again we shouldn't avoid, okay? But the question is, what am I feeling? And let your body, let your mind try to get an answer. And then we can use the questions to move ourselves towards a more better place. So, what do I want to feel, or what I would like to feel? What is going to be the next better feeling thought? Or what can I do to pivot this energy? Or what can I do to release or to feel this energy if you're courageous enough, especially when there's no actual particular emotional event going on or thought going on. So you can actually ask, what is this feeling trying to show me? What does it want from me? You can use all kind of questions, but the most important ones, I think, at first, when we start to become aware of our feelings and we want to work with our thoughts instead of having them against us, working against us, of course, which is what happens in depression, anxiety, whatever, is just, what am I feeling? What am I thinking? So whenever we have a kind of mood that we're not 100% enjoying or controlling, instead of having this continuous notification that I am not feeling good, I don't want to not feel good, and then you spiral because you're not feeling good, just asking, what am I feeling? Why am I feeling like this? And maybe there's no particular answer, but then you can actually ask more stuff, and also stuff that might help you. So what can I do to do something a little bit better? Or what is going to be a better feeling thought about the situation? Or how can I perceive this situation differently? Okay, but at first, let's just go with the basic question, which is, what am I feeling right now? Okay, what am I thinking right now? What am I feeling? What am I thinking? What am I feeling? Whenever you are in a kind of low mood, try to stay there. Try to get the answer. Okay?